Hello there, this is Jen Apgar, and I'm showing you how you can annotate using a read and write on a PDF. In this case, we have a textbook that's been made accessible for a student who needs it, and we have a couple of options here how you might want to answer these questions. So again, probably your best practice is to have a Google Doc where the student could work and put this in, but say it's important for them to work in the same document. So here's our question here. One thing we can do is up here we can select on the letter T. If you hover over that, it says typewriter. And if I click on that, you'll see the little purple button means it's opening up. Slowly but surely. And we have a little box open up here. So on the right-hand side, I'll see 3 dots and I can make that bigger. And here I can have something red. I can use word prediction, voice to text, change my font size and so on. But I can just type my answer right quickly now. They made lots of gains. Okay, probably I need some feedback to enhance that answer, but I'm going to press the check mark, not the X. And there I have that, and I can click on it again if I want to add things or change things. So again, the issue, if you're going to print this, then you do have printed text on the same page. But a more interactive option is using the comment feature. So for example, if I want to highlight this question, so I'm going to choose my, not my speaking. Let's turn that off. I'm going to select some of my text, just highlight over it here. And that brings up an option on the right-hand side, which is a comment bubble. If I click on that, I'll just scroll over so you can see. I've got a comment feature that would open up. And there I have a word prediction, voice to text. I also have voice notes, so I can do an audio recording. So maybe I want to read my answer, but not worry about the text coming out, because maybe that distracts me or frustrates me. So I press voice notes, and I hit the microphone. And actually, I don't know if this will work while I'm doing a screencast, but let's try. The women in the 1920s got to have more jobs and do more sports. I can play that back for me. The women in the 1920s got to have more jobs and do more sports. If I like what I hear, I can press comment. And notice the color feature underneath here will save that. And now I have a voice note. The great thing about this is there's an option to share this with your teacher or peers and do more things. You can also add more notes on the same text. So maybe I want to type something, maybe I want to add a picture or an annotation. So the richness of this is that it's interactive and it can be shared and ongoing. It contains voice and media files. The downfall is obviously you can't print audio recording. So again, thinking about the uses you may use, but probably your best option would be to take this and cut and paste this into a new Google Doc and share that, because that gives you all of these options in a much cleaner and seamless way, as some of these things, if they aren't saved, will get lost, and that can be frustrating to many. Thanks very much.